So guys, welcome. Andito si Limuel Llanes, ang aking idol. Ang galing kumanta. Yan na siya.
Well, the wait is finally over. I'd like to thank all of you for
Kuya Rico.
hosting the press conference.
Si Baski. Ayan, mga katotoy. Subscribe nyo yan, ha?
Arab Emirates. Limuel Llanes, can we give her a round of applause, please? So formally welcome all of you here tonight. I'd like to share the microphone with Engineer Victor Yee, the producer from VOT Events.
Meron siyang concert ngayong Sabado, July 20 sa Abu Dhabi, sa Grand Village Hotel.
Hello. Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming, and we'd like to thank, of course, Kuya Rico for arranging all this for this tonight's event, and of course, our very own Limuel Llanes, and of course his team. Thank you very much, Sir Rene, all of the team from VOD Events, and for everyone, thank you so much, and I hope you can attend also for tomorrow's date, for tomorrow's event, sorry, 20th event, to be in Abu Dhabi, Hammer Club, Grand Village Hotel, 8 PM, open na po yung doors, and you can buy the tickets tonight or even on the venue itself. Yun. Thank you and I hope you enjoy. Good night.
Thank you, Engineer. Let's give Limuel the loudest applause of the night, please.
Maraming salamat po at nandito kayong lahat at sumusuporta po sa akin. Yan, wala po masabi kundi talagang salamat lang. Napaka-bubuti niyo pong tao dito sa mga kababayan natin. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yay!
Galing talaga. Honestly, ang linis ng boses mo. Napakataas.
Yeah.
Nakaupo pa yung kumakanta. Partida. Thank you very much po sa inyo. Sa mga kasama ni Limuel. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa lugar namin. And then thank you din po sa kay Mr. Rico. Walang pinagbago. Walang pinagbago. Kukunti ka lang. Malapit na. Magpapahit ka na konti. Eto,
Lim, would you like to introduce your
Yan. Hello. Check. Yan, syempre, kasama ko po ngayon. Hindi ko po nakasama yung mga bandmates ko sa stereo band. Pero, nandito po yung band leader ko. I would like to give you Bob Marlon. Yan, Bob Marlon, sasabi mo sa Bob Marlon siya, Bob Marlon. Yan ang kilala niya sa atin sa Pilipinas. Siyempre, sa lahat na nakakilala sa kanila, yan, yung mga tagalipan namin kasama. Yan,
Yan, hindi po ako si Bob Marley. Ako si Bob Marley. Good evening po sa inyo lahat, at salamat po muli. At kami po ay nagkaroon ng chance na makapunta dito sa Dubai, at of course meron po kami show sa Abu Dhabi with Limuel. Limuel, salamat mo ako dito. Ayan, so sana po magsama-sama po tayo sa 20th. Magkita-kita po tayo doon, nakilol po tayo doon. Masaya po yan. Marami po kaming gagawin ni Limuel doon.
Yes.
Thank you po, maraming salamat.
Thank you. Yung Bob Marlon daw, mas magaling pa kay Bob Marley.
Siyempre, boss.
Filipino yan eh. We also would like to acknowledge our friends from JRS, Maris and Company. They're here. Pinapakan naman natin, JRS. Okay, we also have, ito yung mayaman dito sa Dubai, the owner of Pinoy Tourism, Red. The man in red, escorted by the daughter. And before we'll start roasting you tonight, I'd like to introduce the cream of the crop on Dubai social media circle. Well, this is not according to height, not according to paycheck, and not according to waistline. Okay, otherwise I'll start with myself. Okay, I'd like to welcome Yen and Jory of the Expat Media. Expat Media. They are always supporting every event of the Filipino community, big or small. Okay. We also would like to welcome Arlino, GMA, and Mark of Angat Pinoy. We also have with us, ito yung kilabot ng, hindi kilabot ng kasambahay, pero ito yung highly respected ba na kasambahay, Alvin Panchito of Alvin Natics. Okay. Travel by Jason. He's here. He's not traveling. That's why he's here. Okay. And Pasky Black. Minus the katutoy. Okay. And of course, this guy is very expensive when it comes to his attendance, but tonight he's free. I'm talking about my good friend Robert of the Filipino Times over there. Okay. Fresh from watching the NBA game in Abu Dhabi. Okay. Elton Lipanta of Elton Unlimited. Saan mo si Elton na yun? Ito yung nagbibigay ng mga band ng mga artista. Kaya every time merong artista, singers, or pageant finalists, nagbibigay ng bag yan. Ang galing nito mag-drawing. Wala bang bag para kay Limuel, Elton? Hindi pa tapos. Tingnan mo, hindi pa tapos. Don't promise anything you can't deliver. Yung sa kolokan ko kanina, comment kanina. Okay? And Pokwa of Dubai. Palakpakan naman natin. Fresh from her vacation. And of course, Pinay Indian accent. There. Young, free, single, and ready to mingle. Alright? Okay. And napanggit.
Hi, Limuel. Welcome to Dubai. Hello. Yeah. So, sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina na parang napanood ko na lahat ng videos mo sa social media all over YouTube and Facebook. So, yung tanong ko lang is, meron na bang international producers na nag-offer sa'yo?
Actually, marami po talaga. Pero, hindi naman po lahat na nangyayari. Pero ito pong ginawa namin ni Sir Vinsor, talaga napaka-smooth ng aming pag-uusap. Siyempre yung kapatid ko, si Justin, siya yung RM ko, siya yung nakipag-usap talaga. And mabilis po talaga kaming napapunta dito sa tulong po ninyo lahat, yung mga sponsors. Thank you so much po.
You know, I'd like to share with you my experience with Limuel. Not all artists have this kind of attitude, because when I requested for his video, right after 2 hours, he sent it to me. That's why I produced the video commercial of him singing a song. Ang sunod, ito, matinig ito.
Mabilis lang.
May mga kamay kayo dyan!
Ayan, simplihan lang yan, simplihan lang. Ayan, live na live. Wow!
To the midnight sun. Feels you round and round on my mind.
Ang relax, ang relax.
Restless hearts sleep alone tonight. Sailing on my love along the water.
Grabe. Dahil lang sunod eh.
Sailing to run in no place that's not a family.
Grabe.
Right on the lines being with me. Loving the music, man, it always was supposed to be. Oh, girl, stand by me.
Ganda ng boses.
I'm forever yours. Everybody sing with me, don't be shy, come on.
Faithfully. Jollibee. Woo! Napaka-relax.
Through circles of life,
Galing.
under the bitter road, we all need the clouds to make us laugh. We'll spend some time. It's always another show.
in Abu Dhabi on July 20. Can I have my request, Limuel? Can I request one song?
What song, boss?
Two Less Lonely People. Brother, Two Less Lonely People in Cuba na. Unfair naman kung hindi pagbigyan yung MC, di ba?
Yes!
Oo.
Sige, try mo, try.
Two Less Lonely People.
Kasi,
Yes! Si Bob Marley ang kakanta.
I was down when dreams were wearing
Galing umintro.
lost
Ang ganda ng hagod.
my heart always seemed to dream from day to day, looking for a love that never came my way. There's
Man, na reach out to you.
I can tell you wrong them too.
One look, then it all began for you and me.
The moment that we touch, I knew that there would be
Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something fine went right. Now that's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Woo!
It's a thing when I'm back, looking back, how did I resist?
Echo.
I feel still that there is not a home this far. That feeling comes come through. I know you tear it up.
Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now that's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Woo! Tonight I fell in love with you, and all the things I never knew seem to come to me somehow. Baby, love is here and now. There's
There's lonely people in the world.
and it's gonna be fine.
Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people. Two less lonely people. Two less lonely people in the world tonight. And it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right.
Now that's two less lonely. Woo! Galing!
Limuel.
Service
Galing! Suabe!
listening to the wind of change. Like a summer night, soldiers passing by.
Limon, can you invite them to your show?
Yes po, lahat po iniimbitahan ko, yung mga nanonood po, kung meron pong naka-live, sa July 20 sa Hammer Club, Abu Dhabi. Yan, sa Village Hotel. Ayan.
At mamaya,
Bella Bellagio
hindi ka
Hotel.
na maalis dito, di ba?